Hi everyone, Sri Vignesh here. So this is day 17 of me sharing my learnings and explaining things in English. So as I'm preparing for PL 300 exam in Power BI service, this is my last topic. So the last topic is implement row level security. So this is going to be out and out theoretical explanation. So if you are someone who is expecting a practical explanation, please skip this video and you can go to YouTube and search for a practical explanation of implementing row level security. So let's go. So when it comes to row level security, there are only two types. One is static level row level security, row level security, and dynamic row level security. So what is row level security first? So if you are working for a company and you are a Power BI developer, so there are various kind of management roles, HR and HR role, financial roles, and marketing, sales, everything, right? So you have data in a single semantic model, and you want to give access to the particular data to a particular head. So you are if you want to give the sales data, uh, it should be viewed only by the sales team, right? So you can customize the roles according to the division they handle. So in another examples, if you're working for a multinational company, and the people in India should see only the data from India, and the people from Germany can only access the uh, German data. So we can do that by implementing a role level security. If you are implementing the role level security, the people from India and the only can see the data in India, and the people from German can only access the German data. So this is basically role level security, and it is applicable for only for viewers. And there are four. Those who don't know, there are four roles in access roles in Power BI service: admin, admin, member, contributor, and viewer. So if you are a viewer, you can only role of security is applicable only for viewer. Other than viewer, anybody with a higher role than viewer can bypass the role of security. So let's see what is static role of security. So it will be like so you have a data called like this, and in that you have various departments: sports, clothing, game, and all. So if you're creating a role level security in manage roles in Power BI desktop, so you can create a role level security only in Power BI desktop. Now there is no option creating role level security in Power BI service. So if you want to create role level security, you should use Power BI desktop only. So you can assign the names like game, clothing, and all. And in the table, you can select the table, and you can select the column you want to filter the row, and you can say equal to game, and you can check the DAX formula if it is works, and you can save it. So now the department is only game, right? So if you view the role as the gamer, so the gaming domain, so it will show only the game. So it is a good thing, right? Only the data they want to see, they can see. So in this case, the game, the manager from gaming domain wants to see only the gaming data, game thing. So he will be seeing only the game data. So how to assign this? After creating this role and testing this role, we should publish the data to Power BI service. After publishing it, we should go to the semantic model of the particular report we established, and go to the ellipsis and click the security button. It will take us to the different tab that is called rollover security. We should click the game and enter the email address of who is responsible for the game domain. So it should be within the workspace. The email should be within the workspace. Then only it will be working. So if you are working for an organization, it will be in the workspace. So you can assign the particular person to the particular domain. So like this it will be working. And when the person is coming to the data set or report, he will be shown only the game data or particular any particular data which we assign. So let's move to the next one, that is creating dynamic rollover security. So static rollover security is something uh, which is very will not be changed, right? So if you have dynamic rollover security, it is based on our email. So if someone with the email uh, is coming to the database or coming to the uh, Power BI service or report the access the report, so they will be shown only the data which is assigned to them. So for this, for dynamic rollover security, you can use a user principal name. So for dynamic rollover security, you should have a compulsory a table called a dedicated table, or you can have already a merged table you with the email address. So if you have the email address, then only it will work. So if you want to assign the email address as dynamic rollover security, you should go to the table which contains email address, and you have to say equal to user principal name, that is which is a DAX function. So if the user with the email enters the database, enters the report, he will be filtered based on the email. By the Power BI service, it will filter his email address, and it will show only the data which is assigned to him. So I said for this we have to create a dedicated table, right? So I will show the how the table will be. Yeah, we are in Power BI right now. So Power BI desktop. So a dedicated table should be assigned like this for the email address. So it can identify the email address and can filter the data based on it, and the relationship between the table should also be established. Then only it will work. Even it is a dynamic rollover security or static rollover security, relationship, the modeling of the data is very essential. Yeah, that's it I had for this video. And if you are someone who is expert in data analytics and watching my video and find any mistakes or miscommunication in my video, please let me know in the comment section. I'm open to learn from you. Thank you.